How to conduct a vehicle inspection startup. Silvio, please start.
Checking the tyres, the wheel nuts, secured items.
Now he's going to jump in the vehicle and do the internal checks.
Ignition turns, gauges are all working, indicators are working, wipers are working. We check our lights.
Now we're going to jump out and we're going to check the oil, water, brake fluids, everything that you will need to make sure your vehicle does not stop while working on your shift. Most important thing to check when doing this is, if you've been driving around for a long time, is the engine hot? Part of your safety is to make sure that you do not burn yourself. If required, use gloves. Silvio. This is your dipstick. Check your oil. Pull it out a second time to check the actual level. If it requires more oil, you will need to add it over here. This is your power steering fluid. Again, it has a level on it. And if you're quite smart, you can actually also see the level from the outside, depending on the model of car. Same again. Your dot fluid, you can actually see the levels on the sides. Just give it a shake, you can see that it's full. Or you can, if required, take the top off and also measure it this way. Last but not least, you have your radiator, which is one of the most important. You can check inside. Again, you can check on the outside. And whatever you do, when the vehicle is hot, do not open this. And last but not least, you've obviously got your window wiper fluid. And this is how you complete a first check of a vehicle. So last things we've got to check is your spare tyre, your equipment required to actually change your tyre. So obviously this one particular vehicle's got a nice little compartment underneath where it's got its jack, its wrench, and all the equipment needed to change its tyres. Every vehicle will obviously be different. And obviously, and underneath on this particular vehicle is where your spare is. And we'd just like to thank Silvio from Express Wash for helping us with our demonstration.